Hey everyone! Today we're talking about a problem that many of us face but often overlook: nail fungus. If left untreated, this seemingly minor issue can turn into something much more uncomfortable and painful. In today's video, I'll explain what nail fungus is, why it's important to treat it, and share with you a powerful natural remedy to help you get rid of it. So, what exactly is nail fungus? Nail fungus, or onychomycosis, is an infection that typically affects the nail plate. It can start off as a small cosmetic issue, but if you don't pay attention, it can lead to serious problems. Some of the common signs of nail fungus include discoloration, rough texture, and in some cases, the nail peeling away from the nail bed. But why is it so important to address this issue? Besides the cosmetic inconvenience, nail fungus can cause pain and discomfort. If it's not treated, the infection can spread to other nails and even to the surrounding skin. So it's always better to tackle the problem early. Now the good stuff, the natural remedy. So easy to make at home, filled with antifungal and healing properties. The ingredients you will need in this recipe are just a few: 3 to 4 garlic cloves, 5 to 6 drops of tea tree oil, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Here's how to prepare the remedy. First, peel and crush 3 to 4 cloves of garlic into a paste. Garlic is known for its strong antifungal properties, making it a perfect base for this treatment. Next, add 5 to 6 drops of tea tree oil, which is another potent antifungal ingredient. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, which helps moisturize the skin and also has antifungal benefits. Finally, mix in 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, which adds a bit of acidity and boosts the overall effectiveness of the mixture. Once your mixture is ready, it's time to apply it. Take a small amount of the mixture and gently massage it onto the affected nails. Make sure to cover both the nail and the surrounding skin. Leave the mixture on for about 20 to 30 minutes. Afterward, rinse it off with warm water and pat your nails dry with a clean towel. For the best results, apply this remedy once a day until the infection clears. This might take a few weeks depending on the severity of the fungus, but consistency is key. Stick with it and you'll start to see improvements over time. This natural remedy is a simple yet effective way to combat nail fungus. Remember, it's important to keep your nails clean and dry, and try to avoid walking barefoot in damp areas like public pools or locker rooms, which can increase the risk of fungal infections. If you found this remedy helpful, or if you have any other natural remedies for nail fungus, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more natural health tips and remedies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.